Hey guys, привет! Welcome back to my channel and my series Russian Grammar. To support my channel and get lessons in PDF, join my Patreon. If you like the channel, don't forget to like and subscribe. In this lesson, we are going to learn gender of adjectives, how to decline them, and use them in a sentence. At the end of the lesson, we will practice a little. All tables with declension of adjectives you can find in PDF lesson on my Patreon. Let's get started. First, let me remind you what an adjective is. Adjective is a word that modifies or describes a noun. For example, red, tall, young, and so on. Let's divide all adjectives into three groups. The first group is adjectives that end in hard consonant. In masculine, such adjectives have an ending y, oy. In feminine, aya. In neuter, oye. And in plural form, they have an ending uya. Let's change an adjective nowy by gender. Pay attention that in dictionaries you can find an adjective in masculine gender. So, let's begin. Новый, новая, новое, новые. One more adjective. Молодой, молодая, молодое, молодые. Let's continue with other endings in the second group. After consonants k, g, h, j, sh, ch, and sh, the letter u isn't written. That's why in masculine gender the ending is e and oy. In feminine, aya. In neuter, oye or yeye. After j, sh, ch, sh, unstressed o is replaced by ye. And in plural form, the ending ie. Take a look at examples. Маленький, as the stem of the adjective ends in k, the ending in masculine is e. In feminine, маленькая. In neuter, маленькое. And in plural, маленькие. One more example. Хороший, masculine. Хорошая, feminine. Хорошее, neuter. And хорошие, plural. Let me explain you the ending ye in neuter. The stem ends in sh and the ending is unstressed. That's why ye. But in an adjective плохой, the ending is under stress. That's why in neuter the ending is oye. Плохое. And the last case and the third group. If the stem of an adjective ends in soft n, in masculine the ending is e, in feminine яя, in neuter ее, and in plural ие. For example, синий, синяя, синие, синие. Now you know how to change adjectives by gender. Let's move on to declension. Unfortunately, there are no rules for endings. You should remember them. Adjectives of the first group which end in hard consonant decline as follows. Молодой, молодого, молодому, молодой, о молодого, молодым, о молодом. In feminine, молодая, молодой, молодой, молодую, молодой, о молодой. Pay attention that in genitive, dative, instrumental, and prepositional cases, the ending is the same. Ой. Let's move on to neuter. Молодое, молодого, молодому, молодое, молодым, о молодом. And in plural form. Молодые, молодых, молодым, молодые, о молодых, молодыми, о молодых. Let's move on to the declension of adjectives of the second group, whose final consonant is k, g, h, j, sh, ch, and sh. In masculine gender. Плохой, плохого, плохому, плохой or плохого, плохим, о плохом. Let's move on to the feminine. Плохая, плохой, плохой, плохую, плохой, о плохой. Pay attention to the same endings in genitive, dative, instrumental, and prepositional cases. Let's move on to neuter. Плохое, плохого, плохому, плохое, плохим, о плохом. And plural form. Плохие, плохих, плохим, плохие, о плохих, плохими, о плохих. And once again, there are the same endings in genitive, accusative, and prepositional cases. And finally, adjectives of the third group, whose ending is soft n. In masculine gender. Синий, синего, синему, синий, синим, о синем. Feminine. Синяя, синий, синий, синюю, синий, о синий. Let's highlight the same ending ей. Neuter gender. Синее, синего, синему, синее, синим, о синем. And plural form. Синие, синих, синим, синие, or синих, синими, о синих. And for the last time, pay attention to genitive, accusative, and prepositional cases. Let's move on to the question how to connect an adjective with a noun. In Russian, adjectives can be placed before or after a noun. It doesn't matter where the adjective is, but it is connected with a noun by gender, number, and case. For example, we have an adjective новый and the noun платье. Let's have a look at the noun платье. It is neuter, singular, and nominative case. It means that an adjective should be in the same form, in a neuter, singular, and in nominative. So, the phrase is новое платье. One more example. Горячий чая. Чая is masculine, singular, and in genitive case. So, the adjective горячий should be in the same form. Горячего чая. Let's read two sentences. Это новые костюмы. A noun is костюмы and the adjective which is connected with it новые. Both an adjective and a noun are plural in the nominative case. We don't determine the gender of a noun in plural. And one more sentence. Я читаю интересную книгу. A noun is книгу, and it's feminine, singular, and in accusative case. That's why the adjective интересную is in the same form. Good job! Let's practice. You will read 5 sentences and an adjective in masculine, singular, and in nominative case, like in a dictionary. You should make the right form of it. Let's get started. Сегодня я услышал интересный новость. The right answer is интересную. Сегодня я услышал интересную новость. Новость is feminine, singular, and an accusative case. So the adjective интересный is also should be in feminine, singular, and in accusative. Next sentence. Уже холодно. У меня нет теплой одежды. And the answer is теплой. У меня нет теплой одежды. The phrase is in feminine, singular, and in genitive case form. Good. Let's move on. Кавказские горы красивый. The right answer is красивые. Кавказские горы красивые. So, the word красивый refers to the word горы. That's why it should be in plural and nominative case form. Next. Вчера мы купили 3 свежих яблока. And the right answer is свежих. Вчера мы купили 3 свежих яблока. Яблоко is in plural and genitive case. So the adjective свежих is in the same form. Very good. And the last sentence. В этом маленький городе много высоких зданий. In this sentence, there are 2 adjectives. So the right answers are маленьком and высоких. В этом маленьком городе много высоких зданий. Городе is masculine, singular, and in prepositional case. Зданий is plural and in genitive case. Great! Thanks for learning Russian with me. Спасибо. Пока.